Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube error if it is telling you to connect to the internet. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're trying to use the YouTube application to watch any video, but the YouTube application just isn't loading up, or it is telling you to connect to the internet first, then there are a few ways that you can go about to fix this issue. The first and obvious step is to check whether you are connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or data. If you are connected to the internet, then open up any other application that uses the internet and see if they are working just fine. If these applications are not working as well, then this means that your internet connection might be down. So you can call your ISP and make sure that your internet connection is online once again. If your internet connection is online, but it still tells you to connect to the internet, then make sure that you are updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and search for YouTube. Once you find the YouTube application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Tap on this button and wait for a while until the installation is completed. Once it is done, you will see the open button once again, so go ahead and tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then one final thing to try is to long press on the YouTube application and tap on the info button. Now from the app info page, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Then tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner to clear the application cache. Then check if your application is working. If it still doesn't work, come back to this page and tap on clear data at the bottom left as well. Then tap on the delete button and clear all of your user data. After this step is completed, you will need to log into your YouTube account once again. But now your YouTube error telling you to connect to the internet will be solved. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on solving the issue if your YouTube application is telling you to connect to the internet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.